The most important step of connecting a trailer to the towing vehicle is getting the coupler attached and secured. The patent-pending Demco Easy Latch coupler facilitates peace of mind. Demco's Easy Latch couplers are available in 2-inch and 2 5/16. The 2-inch Easy Latch coupler is also compatible with a 50mm hitch ball. Mounting configurations include bolt-on, adjustable channel mount, straight, and A-frame weld-on styles in 2 5/16 only. The Easy Latch coupler's latching design complies with all SAEJ 684 safety and testing requirements for trouble-free use. The cast ball keeper incorporated into the clamping mechanism gives maximum holding power to ensure safe and secure towing with minimum effort. Following this simple 3-step procedure is all you need. Step 1. Remove the locking pin, then place the coupler on top of the ball. Step 2. Lower the coupler onto the ball. The cast keeper slides up and rearward, allowing the ball to seat into the coupler socket. Step 3. Once the ball is seated in the coupler socket, the cast keeper snaps into the locked position. The lever returns into the final position. Continue to attach the safety chains, optional coupler lock, and trailer light cables. You can now enjoy your trip with confidence, knowing that your trailer is securely attached.